What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a new video, and I thought I would update my everyday carry. So this is my 2021 everyday carry minimal edition, and this is literally everything that I would bring with me on the road whenever I step foot outside the house. These are like my essential items. But without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first item I always bring with me is my Max hand sanitizer, and this one they actually sent out a few. So in my previous video I actually picked up one of this from the Shoppers Drug Mart, but they reached out to me and they sent out tons of them. And the reason why I like this so much is that this one is a spray hand sanitizer. So it comes in a spray bottle. You just do one tap, you don't waste anything, just like that, you're done. Secondly, I always try to, Shevon, when you're going out, get your mask. And this is the mask that I use. This one is actually from Spigen. Surprise, surprise, Spigen, who makes phone cases. They sent out this mask, and yeah, they gave me like a care package, a bunch of cases. So since then, I've been using it, and they sent like 4 of them. I gave away a few, but yeah, I love this mask. Let me show you guys how it looks. So there we go. That's with the mask on. Let me know what you guys think. Oh yeah, also, I'm not gonna lie, if I know I'm going somewhere where I don't need like a mask like this, I tend to wear this snood, and this is from Nike. It's like a sports snood. Normally people who play soccer would know what this is, and you just put this over your head, and it just really comfortably keeps your ears warm, and also covers your nose and your mouth, and it just looks stylish. But yeah, this is a Nike snood. If you guys don't know about it, I'll put you on. Secondly, my glasses. So I get tons of questions every time, and yes, this is a RayBan Clubmaster, and I've been using this glasses for probably 2 years now. So taking a look at the glasses right here, it's in a black and gold colorway, and it does have a party feature. Yes, it's prescribed. So my favorite thing about this glass is that I could fold it up to the small form factor. So whenever I need to tuck it away in my pockets, my jacket, I could just fold it up just like this. And I'll try to leave links for this. I'm not sure if it's available right now, but yeah, what I did was I got it in like this bluish frame, and then I brought it to the guys over here in Canada, and they put in a prescription lens for me. So yeah, that's the glasses I use. Definitely need it. Another thing I need is lip balm. Now this is Blistex. This is the mango flavor. If you guys don't know, I'm Jamaican, and we have a lot of fruits down in Jamaica, and mango is one of my favorite fruits. So you know, we had to cop the Blistex, the orange mango blast, and you could get these in a bunch of different flavors, but as you guys know, I love my mango. And this comes in clutch because in the winter times here in Canada, your lips tend to get dry. So you know what I mean? You gotta keep it looking clean and nice. You don't know whenever you need those lips. The fifth item, my keys. Now this is really nice. I got this from one of my my motherboard, an Asus motherboard. It's a nice little lanyard, and then on here I just have my keys. Nothing too, literally one key, which works for my door and also my bedroom. You have to have your SIM ejector tool. If you're a tech person and you're not walking around with this SIM ejector tool, I don't know what you guys are doing, but you definitely need that. Then on here, I just have a Mynt Tracker. And what this Mynt Tracker does, it allows me to track my keys. So if I can't find my keys, I just take out my phone, open the Mynt app, hit the button, then it will start to ping my phone, and vice versa. You could also use it as like a camera shutter button, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. Basic keys, nothing too serious. And no, I don't have a car. Next up, we have my wallet. And this is a very slim and minimalistic wallet here from Esker. And if you guys don't know Esker, they make very neat wallets like this, and this is the one I've been using. And look at this, guys, you can just magically pop up all your cards here. Esker is just really slick with everything they do. It's like, I don't know how they do it, but it's super neat how they could just fit everything inside here, and it limits me to having to bring extra stuff that I don't need. I usually bring like a huge wallet, but I switched out to this. My pocket has been lighter. It's a game changer. I definitely recommend you guys to get one. This is the aluminum finish, and if you want to, you could add little cash around here, you know what I'm saying, or add a secondary card. Or they also have the different models, which I used to use before, if I could find it. Yes, so this is the other model they have, which is more like of leather. You know, you could open it more, add more stuff, and it also comes with a tracker. So yes, this is actually a tracker that you could use to track your wallet if it goes missing, but you could buy this tracker separately. So if you like this aluminum one, you think it's more sleek like I do, you could get the tracker and you could place it at the front. You know what I mean? So you could place the tracker at the front and this will ping your phone if your phone is missing, vice versa. You know, so if you can't find your wallet, you get the app on your phone, it pings the wallet. And Esker, thank you for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to learn more about this, I'll leave links down below in the description where you guys could get a discount off your purchase at checkout. Next up on the list, guys, for audio, we have the AirPods Pro Max, the AirPods Max. I don't know, but this thing, I love it. Like, at first when I bought it, I was a hater. I was like, yo, we don't need this, it looks weird, it looks ugly, blah blah blah. But I ended up loving this thing and I've actually been using it a lot, especially in the winter. It's like an earmuff for me. So it comes in this case. A lot of people hate on this case. I was a hater of this case too, still kind of on the fence. You know, it does its job, but it doesn't really protect the AirPods that much. But in terms of sound quality, comfortability, this AirPods is solid. And yeah, I like it. Nothing much to say here, especially if you're in the Apple ecosystem. You have your iPhones, your iPads. It's just a breeze to switch between different products without have to be worrying about Bluetooth pairing and all that stuff. The build quality is amazing. I switched out the ear cups to have this watermelon effect with it. One thing I hate is the audio quality, the mic quality, not audio quality, the mic quality needs a bit of work. When I connect it to like different apps like Discord, or I'm on a call with Zoom or something like that, everyone always say my mic sounds muffled and the battery life sucks. Oh my god, because you can't have a button to turn off the AirPods. So in order to put it in this low power state, you'd have to get the case. So that means you can't leave this case. You'd have to get the case, put it into the case. And yeah, that's the only way you could conserve battery life. But it charges fairly quickly, but I feel like I'm charging this thing every single day. When I'm using other earphones, I would get like a week out of it. This, you have to charge this every night like it's your phone or something. It's kind of annoying, but yeah, pretty good for now. I'll use it. I will do a full review on this, so make sure you guys are subscribed if you don't want to miss that. Next up, guys, my watch of choice is the Huawei GT2 Pro, and I've been using this for the past 5 or 6 months now, and I love this watch. Aesthetically, it looks amazing. Performance wise, it does great. I don't have to charge this watch every single night. It looks good. It doesn't look like a smartwatch, you know what I mean? But I still get all my notifications. And when I say I wear this watch, I do. If you watch my previous videos, you could see I'm always wearing this watch. It's lightweight, I like it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Last but not least, the phone of choice, of course, the iPhone 12 Pro. So I've went through all the different iPhones. I went through the 12 mini, the 12 Pro, which is right here, the 12 Pro Max, the 11 Pro Max, you know, everything. And I think the 12 Pro is the best one of the bunch in my opinion. I think the 12 mini is good, but I want to have that triple camera setup. I want to have that nice aluminum touch feel. And yeah, the 12 Pro for me is everything. This case that I have on it, I know you guys gonna ask a lot about this case. This case is not officially from Louis Vuitton. I literally was walking somewhere in the area. I saw this shop, I stopped by, I saw this LV case, I was like, yo, I need it. It was for $15. I copped it. It looks nice. It protects the iPhone well. All corners, as you guys can see, the buttons are fine. It's just a cheap, I don't know, Chinese off-brand case, but it looks nice. I like the fact that it covers the lenses and everything. And taking a look at the iPhone itself, it's still in pristine condition. I never take it out of the case. You already know the size is a fingerprint magnet. But yeah, the iPhone 12 Pro is definitely one of the best. The 12 mini, it's kind of too small for my hands. As you guys can see, I have relatively large hands, guys. So yeah, the 12 Pro, my phone of choice, and probably my favorite phone of the year so far, until all the rage of phones start releasing. OnePlus coming up soon. But yeah, the 12 Pro, really solid choice for me, and I like it. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's my everyday carry. Very minimal, lightweight, on the go, everything I need. And let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should add something to my setup? probably a knife. I don't know, a lot of people like to have knives in their everyday carry. I don't know why, but yeah, let me know if you think I should add or remove something from the setup, and what would you do? What's your setup? Let me know down below in the comments what you guys are carrying on an everyday basis. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Road to 100K. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like for more videos like this, and as always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.